Aloha, this is Joshua Bowles with Lyric Woodwork and Snake Road Sawmill, and we're just wrapping up probably our biggest project ever on the Big Island. And this is one that we worked on for about a year, and I wanted to just share with you a couple of things that I learned on this, our biggest project so far. And the first is to start freaking out early. We had a deadline of December, but I made sure to mentally tell myself that it had to be done by November 1st. And to start really panicking, in a sense, in June, like knowing that everything is going to take longer than we think, and that small things will come up, the client will have changes, the designer will have changes. So by June, we were already starting to panic a little bit, like we have to have this done within the next 4 months. Knowing that there's going to be changes, the client will have changes, and the designer, and things will come up, and they certainly did. One of them was that this headboard that we'd been working on out of banyan, it started to warp and cup and twist. We'd had these slabs for about 3 years, so they were well and dry, but once we had cut them into pieces and then put them together, it just wasn't going to work. And so we had to scratch that and start over again. And we had to do that with a couple of things. We had to make some fairly significant changes. And so I felt really glad that I had set myself that internal deadline. So that's, I think, my biggest takeaway is, even after having done this for many years, and you add in a contingency of like 15-20%, it's going to take longer than you think. Even after years of experience, you can't cut that contingency. It still has to be there. And then the other thing I've been thinking about in regard to this project is that we here on Oahu have a really special opportunity, a unique opportunity to do work on the outer islands. Because, for instance, on the Big Island of Hawaii, there's a couple furniture makers, there's one sawmill, but they don't have nearly the infrastructure there. So if you have the ability to make things here, get them to Young Brothers, ship them over, it's quite simple. It's fairly inexpensive. It takes about 4 days to receive it on the other end. And it's something that not too many people can do. So if you have that ability, there's a great opportunity there. And then the last thing, every time we deliver a piece of furniture, I include a kit with all the finishes, polish, a little bit of putty, because there are going to be dings, there will be scratches. So that's when we do a delivery just here on the island. How much more so that's necessary going to the Big Island, where it's got to get onto the container, be unloaded onto a U-Haul into the client's place. The opportunity for things to go wrong are multitude. So to just always pack a kit of all the sundries you'll need to do repairs. Even we brought, for each headboard, each type of wood, we brought little blanks of each of those woods, because who knows what could happen. So that was a wise move, and I encourage you to do the same.